So we know that a heat transaction can result in a phase change or a temperature change. Let's look at a temperature change example. That's called sensible heat. And say you would need this if you want to know how much heat it takes to heat something up from one temperature to another temperature, or how much heat that thing loses if it goes from a higher temperature to a lower. Q here in this equation is the heat. M is the mass, how much of the stuff do you have. C is the specific heat. And specific heat is a property of the material. Every material has its own specific heat, and that is the amount of heat that is in a substance per pound of that substance per degree of temperature of that substance. And then delta T, of course, is the temperature difference. How much did the temperature change going up or down? Let's look at an example. In this case, what we want to know is how much heat it takes to heat 5 pounds of water from just after it melted at 32 degrees up to its boiling point at atmospheric pressure, which is 212 degrees. So that's our starting and ending temperatures. We have 5 pounds of it, and water is a special case because water is used to define what a BTU is. A BTU is how much heat it takes to heat a pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. So the specific heat of water is 1, but other substances will have a specific heat that is not 1. It's some other number, BTUs per pound degree Fahrenheit. So we have everything we need to solve the equation. Once we do the subtraction, 212 minus 32 is 180 degrees Fahrenheit is how much we're trying to heat up the water. Let's write it out and see what we get. So here's the equation written out. First thing, as always, we want to do is to make sure the units cancel. We have pounds up here, pounds down here, degrees Fahrenheit up here, and degrees Fahrenheit there. We're left with BTUs. Hey, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the amount of heat it takes to do this. So you just run it through your calculator. The number's the easy part. You end up with 960 BTUs. That's how much heat it takes to heat 5 pounds of water from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do it for any temperature difference and any substance as long as you know its specific heat and how much of it you have.